What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Toshiba EM131A5C-SS Countertop Microwave Oven. And if you want to upgrade your kitchen, save time, and cook smarter, this is one appliance you should seriously consider. In a world where speed and convenience matter, this 1,000-watt countertop microwave is built to keep up with your daily routine. From quick breakfasts to late-night snacks, it helps you heat faster, cook evenly, and move on with your day. One of the biggest reasons people love the Toshiba EM131A5C-SS Countertop Microwave Oven is its smart humidity sensor. This feature actually detects moisture in your food, then adjusts the cooking time and power automatically, so you don't have to guess. That means no more overcooked edges or cold centers, just consistent, reliable results every single time. With a 1.2 cubic foot opacity and a large 12.4-inch removable glass turntable, this microwave easily fits dinner plates, handles family-sized portions, and supports everyday use in apartments, dorm rooms, offices, or busy households. Let's talk about usability, because this is where it really shines. The 6 preset auto menus let you press one button and cook instantly popular foods like pizza, vegetables, and reheated meals, while the 10 unique power levels allow you to fine-tune heat, warm gently, or boil liquids efficiently. The easy defrost by weight or time feature helps you thaw frozen food evenly, preserve texture, and reduce food waste, which is a huge win for anyone cooking daily. And yes, it gets better. The one-touch start lets you launch cooking from 1 to 6 minutes instantly. The mute function allows you to cook quietly at night, and eco mode helps you lower energy usage and save on electricity bills. These features make the Toshiba EM131A5C-SS Countertop Microwave Oven not just convenient, but practical for real life. On top of that, the easy clean interior lets you wipe away spills fast, while the sleek silver finish adds a modern look to your countertop. So why should people use this microwave? Because it saves time, reduces cooking stress, and delivers consistent results without effort. And why is it needed? Because modern kitchens demand appliances that work smarter, consume less energy, and make life easier. If you're looking to cook faster, reheat better, and upgrade your daily routine, the Toshiba EM131A5C-SS Countertop Microwave Oven is a smart investment. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you use this microwave in your kitchen?